Prepositions of time. In. This preposition is used to describe events or actions that occur within a larger time frame, such as years, months, seasons, or longer periods. It provides context about when something happened. For example, I was born in 1990. In the sentence, in is used to specify the year when the speaker was born, indicating that the event occurred within the broader time frame of the year 1990. It is hot in summer. Here, in is used to show that the high temperature are characteristic of the season known as summer. On. On is employed to pinpoint specific days and dates, providing precise information about when an event takes place. For example, we have a meeting on Monday. This use of "an" tells us that the meeting is scheduled for the day known as Monday. Our anniversary is on the 5th of the June. On specify the exact date, the 5th of June, when the anniversary is celebrated. At. This preposition is used to indicate specific times of day, certain holidays, and night time. For example, we will meet at 3 p.m. In this case, at specifies the precise time of day when the meeting is scheduled. We celebrate Christmas at night. At tells us that the celebration occurs during the nighttime hours. For. For is employed to indicate the duration or length of time that an action or event lasts. She studied for 2 hours. Here, for specifies the length of time, means 2 hours, during which she was engaged in studying. We will be on vacation for a week. For communication, the duration of the vacation, which is 1 week. Since. Since is used to pinpoint the starting point of an action or event. I have lived here since 2010. Since indicates the year 2010 as the point in time when the speaker began living in the current location. I have known her since kindergarten. In this sentence, since indicates that the speaker has known the person in question since their time in kindergarten, signifying the starting point of their acquaintance. During. This preposition is used to show that something occurs within a specific time frame or during an event. During the meeting, my phone rang. During clarifies that the phone rang while the meeting was in progress. During the summer, we enjoy going to the beach. Here, during clarifies that the action of enjoying a beach visit takes place within the specific time frame of the summer season. By. By is employed to set a deadline or indicate the latest time when something should be completed. Please submit your report by Friday. By specifies that the deadline for report submission is the end of the day on Friday. Please complete the assignment by tomorrow. By in this sentence convey that the assignment should be finished at some point before the end of the day tomorrow, indicating a deadline. Until, to, and till. These prepositions indicate the end of a particular time or event. The store is open until 9 p.m. Until specifies the closing time of the store, which is 9 p.m. She worked there from 2010 to 2015. To is used to indicate the end of the period during which she worked at the location. Between. Between is employed to specify a time range or 2 points in time. The meeting is scheduled between 2 and 4 p.m. Between defines the time frame during which the meeting will take place. The flight is scheduled between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Between defines the time frame during which the flight is scheduled to depart, covering the period from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. After. After indicates the time following a particular event. We will go for lunch after the presentation. After conveys that the lunch plans will be executed once the presentation concludes. We will have a celebration after the graduation ceremony. After indicates that the celebration is planned to occur once the graduation ceremony has concluded. Before. Before is used to indicate the time preceding a particular event. Please arrive before the concert starts. Before sets the time when attendees are expected to be present, which is prior to the beginning of the concert. Please submit your application before the deadline. Before instructs that the application should be submitted prior to the designated deadline. Throughout. Throughout is employed to show that something happens continuously over a period. He played music throughout the night. Throughout suggests that the individual continued playing music during the entire duration of the night. He worked tirelessly throughout the project. Throughout signifies that the person diligent work persisted continuously during the entire duration of the project without breaks or interruptions. So these are some prepositions of time that are invaluable for providing specific details about when or for how long something occurred, helping to create a clear and comprehensive picture in both written and spoken communication. Thank you for joining with us. Thanks a lot.